folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am in Italy at the Rizzoli factory. I have featured here the Rizzoli LT. I do have a lot of other videos on this model. The purpose of this video today is to give you guys my selling points as to why you would like a Rizzoli hydro model. So these hydro models are pretty unique in the North American market. There's not really a lot of products like it. I have other videos where I go into full explanation of what a hydro is. Essentially, a hydro model is going to be a hydronic heater, essentially like a boiler system. It is going to require a pump to operate, which means you do need electricity for the system to operate. It's going to be a closed loop system, which does operate under pressure, okay? So you do require that circulation pump. These are super nice for people who are looking for hydronic heating, but might not necessarily have the heat demand for a full-size boiler, which basically starts at about 100,000 BTUs. Now, our Rizzoli thermal models are going to put about approximately 40,000 BTUs into the water flow itself, okay? So it's really nice for smaller applications. Also, as you can see, this is a beautiful stove. It's not some industrial boiler that's an eyesore. So for people who are looking to have these heating capabilities, but also have something that's going to be aesthetically beautiful and fit into their home very well, that's where the Rizzoli hydro products come in. Now, this is going to be the LT series, which is the rustic line. Featured here is soapstone. They do have this available in the porcelain Majolica and the burgundy and in the white. And then we do have the Rizzoli ST series as well, which has a much more contemporary overview. I really hope that you guys found this overview helpful on the Rizzoli hydro models. If you guys like my videos, don't forget, give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless, have a wonderful day.